Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm excited to share it with you. I love doing FabFitFun unboxings every season. I think it is so much fun to show you guys what I got in my box and share the products that I picked out and the new things that I get to try. But I thought it would be fun to come back and do a video sharing my staple FabFitFun products. I've discovered so many products that have kind of made their way into my daily routine and become absolute essentials for me. So I wanted to share just my top favorite products that I've gotten through FabFitFun. I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to be able to share this. I chose all of these products. These are things that I truly love and I use super often. For those of you that don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. What I love is the fact that everything is full size and you're able to customize your box and choose some of the products that you get, which is great because you're able to choose products that you're excited about. And they have so many different options. They have beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products, and it comes out 4 times a year. Now, the box comes right directly to your door. You pay $49.99 for each box, but if you're new to FabFitFun, you can actually get $10 off your first box, so I'll put a code in the description box below. So I'm excited to share some of my FabFitFun staples, the products I've fallen in love with throughout the years. You might recognize some of these if you watch my FabFitFun unboxings, but I would love to know if you guys have discovered any favorites or essentials through FabFitFun as well. So let me know in the comment section below. So let's start with this product. This is actually something that I've repurchased a few times because I love it. It is the original makeup eraser. I think that I got this fairly recently, but this is such a great tool. So you can use this in a couple of different ways. The way that I use it most often is I will apply some water and use it to remove all of my makeup. I'll also use it to spot clean my brushes. I will use it to remove swatches if I'm kind of playing with makeup, but this is such a good alternative to makeup wipes. Not only does it cut back on waste, it cuts back on cost because you really don't have to repurchase these super often. The only reason why I have repurchased a couple of them is because sometimes they are in the wash and I need to use another one. So it's nice to have a couple on hand, but honestly, one of these will last you such a long time. It's a very, very soft, gentle material, so it's really great for your skin if it is sensitive, and I love to use this just to remove all of my makeup before I go in with my favorite cleanser. This next product really comes in handy for me every single time I do my makeup. This is the Color Switch by the brand Vera. So if you're someone who likes to use the makeup brush and then dip into another color, this is really going to come in handy for you because all you have to do to remove any of the remaining makeup is just take your brush and swirl it around inside the color switch, and it takes off any of the existing product. I really love this because sometimes I want to use the same exact makeup brush for another color, but I don't have time to actually wash my brush or spray it with a cleaner and then wait for it to dry. So this really comes in handy. It takes 2 seconds, it removes the product, and then you're good to go. I always say this, but I love the jewelry that they include in FabFitFun boxes, especially the necklaces. 90% of my jewelry is from FabFitFun, including the necklace that I'm wearing today. I wear this one all the time. It's by the brand Sceats. It is their double coin necklace. This is probably my #1 favorite. I just can't stop wearing it. I didn't get it too long ago, but whenever I have the chance, I throw this one on just because I think it's cute and fun. I love the fact that it is a layered necklace, but it's just one piece, so it's really easy to use. It is adjustable, so you can make it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, but I've gotten a lot of great necklaces. The other one that I wanted to mention is by the brand Zeuner. This has really, really cute stars on it. It's just a very simple, dainty necklace, but again, it kind of gives you that layered look. I will include a close-up shot for you guys so you can really see the details, but it's just a super cute, delicate, dainty necklace. Sometimes I'll kind of pair these together, wear them alone, but I've gotten a lot of great jewelry through FabFitFun, but the necklaces have to be my favorite. In my last box, I actually got these really cute hair clips by the brand 8 Other Reasons. I love the design, but these clips are actually really great quality. They stay in place well. Sometimes with hair clips, they'll just slip right out of my hair, and I use a hair clip 90% of the time because I like to wear my hair down, but sometimes I want to clip it out of my face. So I'm always looking for really cute hair clips that stay in place well, and these definitely do, and I just love them. I think the design is so pretty. I have a few other hair related products to share with you guys. So I love this product. This is by the brand Afterspa, and it's a hair towel wrap. I had heard of these, but I hadn't tried one, and then I got one in my FabFitFun box, and I've purchased a couple of these because I love them. I use them every single time I wash my hair. So there's a little bit of a bigger end. This is the part that you kind of wrap around the base of your head, and then you put your hair in here and you twist it, and then you can clip it around the back. And it's really convenient because it's not heavy. I used to just use like a regular towel around my head, and it would hurt my neck. I noticed a lot of breakage. So this comes in handy because it's a lot more lightweight and comfortable, but I also experienced so much less breakage. The next hair related product is actually a detangling brush by the brand Aria Beauty. I was so excited when I got this because I had actually just misplaced my brush. I was just using my comb for like a week or two because I couldn't find my brush anywhere. I don't know if I was traveling or if it ended up being somewhere around my house. I don't think so because I don't think I ever found it again. And I got this in my FabFitFun box, which was perfect because I didn't have to repurchase a new brush. I wasn't particularly attached to the one that I was using. It didn't work that well for me. I have extremely tangly hair, so even after I go through it with a comb, it can be really difficult to brush through it. So I really like this one because it is super large. It does not hurt my head at all. I cleaned mine just for you guys for this video because it is something I use all the time, and I just think it's cute and it works well. So I love this. It's been my go-to brush ever since I got it. Let me share 3 things that I typically keep in my kitchen, or at least store in my kitchen. This one is by the brand Masontops, and it is a glass water bottle. What I love about this is the fact that it does have this little neoprene sleeve on it. So typically I will use this for my iced coffee, which is so convenient because I love drinking out of glass. It's a lot better for you. It's great for the environment, but sometimes when you're putting like an iced drink inside of a glass, you'll get a lot of condensation on the outside. So this neoprene sleeve, it comes in handy because it kind of soaks up all of that condensation, and on top of that, it just keeps your drink cold a little bit longer. It has a really nice flip top, so sometimes I'll drink directly out of this or I'll put a glass straw inside, but I have loved this little glass bottle. I've gotten so much use out of it. I feel like this made the last box for me because I use it every single day. I was so excited when I got this cute little set of bowls in a FabFitFun box. This is by the brand West Elm, and it comes with 3 different serving bowls. So let me separate them so they're not kind of clanging around. So the design inside the bowl is the same, but the design on the outside is a little bit different. And these are so much fun if you're having people over, if you're doing dinner. Sometimes when I have my family over, we like to do a taco night. So I'll just kind of set these out with different toppings. I'll even just use them in like my daily life because they come in handy. They're different sizes and they're just really, really cute. I don't have a lot of colorful dishes in my house, so these kind of add like a fun pop of color, and they're really nice because you can just throw them right in the dishwasher and they hold up extremely well. This little lunch tote is by the brand Kate Spade, and I love it. It comes in handy all the time. It's not something that I ever felt like I needed, but once I got it, I found myself using it all the time. So you can throw this, or you can throw like an ice pack inside to keep your food cold. You could also use it as like a makeup bag as well. I kind of thought about doing that, but I find myself using this, like if I want to bring a snack on the go or a drink and I want it to stay cold, I love reaching for this. It's cute, it's practical, and I get a ton of use out of it. We're kind of jumping all around here, but I'm going to move back into some beauty products that I love. I love the No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol. This is something that I love to use when I'm dealing with really large pores or maybe some breakouts or dry skin. This product just smooths right over your skin, so when you apply foundation on top, everything looks so even. I've been dealing with a lot of large pores, especially on my nose lately. So I love using this product on my nose and around my nose because that's where I can deal with a little bit of dryness, and it just allows my foundation to look so smooth and even no matter what formula I use. So I do enjoy this product. It comes in handy all the time. I always love getting makeup in my FabFitFun boxes and through the add-ons. I've gotten some really great products, including the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner, which I know is a favorite of so many people. This is a really nice felt tip liner that stays in place well. And then also the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I tried this for the first time years ago, and it makes your lashes super dramatic and voluminous and thick. So if that's the type of look you go for, I think you'll really enjoy this one. But it is always nice to get makeup because obviously I do love makeup. I think it is so much fun to play with. I love the sponge gel buffers so much. I've gotten so many of them through add-on sales because I just fell in love with them after I tried them for the first time through FabFitFun. These ones are unopened. I have Black Orchid and also Sugar Dahlia, but I usually have a couple of these in my bathroom. I work my way through one and then I'll replace it, but they last a long time. If you guys haven't tried these, these. They are body wash infused buffers, so they exfoliate your skin. They're really hydrating and they smell amazing. They have the best scents. They do last a really long time as well. They're multi-use, so you can use them over and over. I just love these so much. So if you ever see them available as an add-on or, you know, as an option to customize your box with, definitely try them. You won't regret it. I also discovered the brand Kula through FabFitFun. They make my favorite sunscreens. They are super, super gentle. So if you have sensitive skin like I do, they are not irritating at all. They are reef safe and they have a lot of different options. So depending on what you're looking for or what your skin type is, you're going to be able to find one that works well for you. The one that I use every single day is the mineral sunscreen. This one is actually the cucumber scent and it does have like a really soft matte finish. I actually just recently used one of these up completely because I really do use it every day. I've made sunscreen such a priority. I recently purchased one of their body sunscreens as well, which is very gentle and it smells amazing. They also have like a setting spray. They have so many different products. So this one is my #1 favorite. I really do enjoy it, but I'm thankful to FabFitFun for introducing me to Kula because they're like the only brand that makes sunscreen that feels good on my skin and works well. I just have a couple more things. These are a little bit random, but I love these packing cubes. These are from the brand Calpac. I did get these in a FabFitFun box, and before I got these, I was using like really cheap ones that would just break apart on me. They fell apart. If I, you know, put a few too many things in them, the zipper would snap off. So these have been so convenient. I haven't been doing a lot of traveling lately, you know, with everything going on, but when I do, again, one day, these will come in handy. They just keep you very, very organized when you are traveling. This set in particular came with 3 sizes, so there is a really, really large one, which is great for jeans or shirts. My husband is really tall, he's 6'2", so typically I'll use this for his clothes because they're a little bit longer. And then there's a medium size, which is obviously great for smaller clothes or if you're packing just a few things. And then there is a small size as well. What's nice about these is they actually have a zipper on the back. These are just really, really nice quality, and after trying really cheap ones, I've really come to appreciate these because they hold up. Okay, this next product might actually be my favorite product that I've ever gotten through FabFitFun. I have told you guys before, I have a little bit of a blanket obsession. Whenever I go to the store and I see like a soft, fluffy blanket, I feel like I have to buy it. I've tried to cut back because realistically, how many blankets do I need? And this is my favorite. This is from the brand Unhide, and this is their Lil Marshmallow blanket. I'm usually fighting with my pugs over who gets to use this because they love to snuggle on it, as do I. It's such a warm, soft, fluffy blanket. It's just one of the best blankets that I've ever tried. It is faux fur and they have a lot of great options. I actually purchased like a darker one for my bedroom as well because I just love the quality so much, and it's large. Let me hold it up for you. I don't think this will even fit in the frame because it is such a large, cozy, fluffy blanket, and I've had mine for a while and it has held up so well. So I think this is like my #1 favorite. I honestly just love this, and I love the fact that they were able to include like a full-size blanket in my box. I had to go get this out of my closet because I love this. I use it all the time, especially during the spring and the summer. This is from the brand Show Me Your Muumuu, and it is their Brie robe. So it's a super lightweight robe. I love the design on it. This is not something that I typically buy for myself. Like, I have a really large fluffy robe that I love for the fall and winter, but this is more of like a cute robe, but I actually end up reaching for it all the time. It's super lightweight. It's great for the hot summer days. So if you live in a hot climate or, you know, you just like something cute and fun, this is such a great option. It washes really well and it's held up really well too. The last thing I wanted to share with you guys are just these brushes that I got from Luxie. Luxie is one of my favorite brush brands. They are cruelty-free and vegan, and I think that I've actually gotten quite a few Luxie brushes in my FabFitFun boxes or through add-on sales. These are super, super soft. They blend the product out perfectly. This one in particular came with 4 different face brushes, but I kind of used this smaller one on my eyes as well. I've gotten a few different sets of brushes through FabFitFun, and I always love getting them because I just think it's so much fun to try new brushes, but they can be a little bit expensive, so it's always like such a surprise when I see them and I get to try them, and Luxie brushes are so good. So that is everything I have to share with you guys in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I think that you guys would really enjoy FabFitFun if you haven't tried it out already. As you can see, I've discovered a lot of products that I've just fallen in love with, and not just beauty products, but also fashion and jewelry and home decor and just all kinds of things. I think FabFitFun does a really great job at including trendy products, but products that you'll get a lot of use out of. I always say that FabFitFun makes a great gift for others, but I also think it's a great option for yourself if you just want to treat yourself to something that feels really luxurious, because it's $49.99 every season, but you get a lot more in terms of value and you discover products that become staples. They also have sales throughout the year, so even if you are looking to get a great deal, a lot of the time you're able to buy the same brands or products for discounted prices throughout the year, which is how I've discovered a couple of these products as well. But I just love FabFitFun. It is one of my favorites, and I love that they introduced me to so many good products and brands. So if you guys are interested in trying it out, again, you can save some money on your first box. I'll put a code in the description box below, and I would love to know if there are any staples you've discovered through FabFitFun, so let me know in the comment section below. But thanks again for watching today's video. I'll see you guys very soon with a new one. Bye.